This is Huawei Mate X2 review. Huawei's new foldable phone is out. In addition to top specs and design, the Huawei Mate X2 joins the company's own software for a foldable phone. The company's Mate X2 launch event took place on February 22, and we learned about the phone's pricing and availability there, so we're still waiting on that information for a global launch, though there's no confirmation it will. Starting February 25th, you can buy the phone in China. That's pretty quick. It'll run you 17,999 Chinese yuans, roughly $2,785, £1,985, or 3,530 Australian dollars, for 256 GB storage and 18,999 Chinese yuans, around $2,940, £2,095, or 3,735 Australian dollars, for 512 GB. If those conversions are accurate, this is going to be a high-end phone. For context, the last Mate X's cost $2,299, around $2,750, 4,200 Australian dollars. Mate X2 is a book-style foldable phone, meaning it opens up as a phone and turns into a tablet-style device. Previous Mate X foldable phones had displays on the outside, but Mate X2 has it on the inside. The primary display measures 8.01 inches and has a resolution of 2480 by 2200. The other screen measures 6.45 inches and has a resolution of 2700 by 1160. When Huawei announced the phone, they talked about the hinge. It's supposedly very small, so there is no gap when you fold it closed. It's also tapered, so it gradually gets thicker. At one end it's 4.4 mm thick, and we don't know how thick it is on the other end. There are 4 colors for the Mate X2, pink, black, white and blue, though it's not clear if all 4 options will be offered in other regions. Firstly, it allows for a thicker camera bump without the phone getting too chunky, since when closed, the average thickness balances out. Check out what we mean below. Secondly, you can hold it with one hand, similar to an Amazon Kindle Oasis. There are 4 colors for the Mate X2, blue, pink, white, and black. 2 selfie cameras lurk in a pill-shaped cutout in the outer display. It has 4 main cameras, a 50MP main, a 10MP periscope for 10x optical zoom, a 12MP telephoto for 3x zoom, and a 16MP ultra-wide lens. On the front, there are 2 cameras, an 8MP primary and a 16MP ultra-wide, which should provide a variety of options when it comes to selfies. There's no wireless charging on the Huawei Mate X2, and its battery capacity is 4,500 mAh. The Huawei Mate X2 uses the Kirin 9000 chipset, which provides fast processing speeds and better battery optimization for longer battery life. You can also get 5G from that chipset, if you have a contract for that. The Mate X2 has dual SIM support, so it can use 2 different SIM cards. Speaking of dual, the phone has dual stereo speakers, so you get a surround sound effect when listening to music. In addition to announcing the Mate X2, Huawei announced the rollout of its Harmony OS operating system. The Mate X2 is one of the phones eligible for this update, but it doesn't sound like it will come with it pre-installed. Huawei said most of the top few thousand apps in China are now foldable, so the device can be a great productivity and entertainment tool. Of course, the top apps in China aren't the same as those in the rest of the world, so that's a concern as the phone moves into more markets.